Here's guys, this is what's happened to one of the Lunar Inertia episodes called Earth is a Princess in VR chat. So, um, yeah, what kind of princess is Earth? Is she like Rapunzel or Sleeping Beauty, Snow White, Tiana? And also, comment down below, who is your favorite princess? Like, it can be like any princess. It can be like Disney princess or whatever. I would say mine's probably Tiana. I really do like her a lot. So, yeah, let's get into this. Alright. Why? I swear, like, some of these ads are ads I don't even talk about, if you know what I'm saying. You know, sometimes, like, they say, that, like, sometimes your ads, like, are based around, like, your conversations or whatever. Oh my gosh, we're like 5 seconds in, and they're like talking about like kids chewing gum. Yeah, I swear, kids can be really disgusting. You know, they don't cover their mouths or their noses when they sneeze or cough or whatever. They don't. They like chew. Sometimes kids will chew up gum and then stick it on other people's hair. It's disgusting. And I'm telling you, that's gonna happen no matter where you go. Like whether it be like at school, daycare, on the playground. Yeah, kids are just so disgusting no matter what age they are. That could be like from like newborn to like late teens. Yeah, I think some adults can be disgusting too, but small kids. Ugh.
Also, if you're telling them to throw away, why is the trash can all the way over here? Because they usually sneak it in. Whenever they come in, I tell the parents, make sure your kids don't have gum. Or... Is that a rabbit? Yeah. I was just gonna ask if you saw that too.
Why is there a bunny?
Don't throw things.
Yeah, don't throw it.
You might be confused. I'm sure it's fine.
So cute.
That's a big rabbit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it kind of...
Also, why is that red eyes? First of all, is it evil? Is it a robot? Also, hold on. It looks like Vanny a little bit, doesn't it? Am I the only one that thinks it looks like Vanny if she was an actual rabbit? Or it's even got the blue bow tie. That's definitely Vanny.
Oh my god, you look hideous.
It's even got the pink glove and everything. And one of its... Oh, there we go. One of the premise versions is like, you look hideous.
That shirt does not match your style, sweetie. I'm gonna be very honest with you. The butterflies look cute, but not the bland shirt color you got going
What?
on.
Yeah, that's definitely Vanny.
Hey, little bunny, let's get out of here. Wait, did you not hear what it just said to me? What? Oh god, I sound crazy right now. It just said that this butterfly sweater is not my style.
It is.
It's good on you.
Yeah.
I thought so too, but now I'm self-conscious. Bunny's just a bunny. Yeah, like if you're gonna colorblind or something.
Jeez. Yeah, this rap is definitely mean. I would say evil, but not really.
Oh,
It's not really evil, it's just mean.
You just clacked its teeth together. Wait, am I able to understand you? What? What are you doing? Why are you in here? Why do you look like Vanny?
Oh my gosh, that's what I just said. I don't know, maybe this Vanny just playing a prank on her or whatever. I don't know. But, I mean, I feel like if Vanny was playing a prank on I'm pretty sure Lunar would have definitely heard it too.
Why do you look like me?
Well, that's just rude. That's just a rude thing to say.
What?
What?
What did it say?
It said you have a bulbous head.
I bite you.
Don't bite it, it's a bunny! Hey, wait, put down that toy!
I'm gonna go make sure there's not like an animal leak or something, like a petting zoo got let in.
Can we then address after that why I can hear animals talking?
Yeah.
Or if I'm hallucinating from the mental
I don't
anguish I've
think you're
experienced?
hallucinating.
I'm gonna be honest, they're both pretty likely. We'll worry about it in a minute.
Okay.
Yeah.
A text from Sad or Lulu without their day yet, and that's kind of making me anxious. Oh, hello.
Girl, do you get a brush your hair?
I do, yeah. Why?
Look at the tangled mess back there.
Wow. Yeah, this bunny's just mean.
Yeah, I have been neglecting doing a good job of it because of how busy and sad I've been, but
Oh, depression. I can see that coming a mile away.
I don't think I'm depressed. I just...
Yeah, I would say, yeah, I think some people like underestimate depression. Because I think depression is just, well, sometimes you can say that you're depressed. But really, depression is, I think it's a mental illness. I know that now. Where like you just want to like harm yourself all the time. And that's kind of like what depression is. But like, so I think some people like underestimate depression and say like, oh yeah, it's just you being like really, really sad. But really, depression is just you wanting to harm yourself and like all the time. You know, it's a mental thing, I think. Whereas like being upset and like wanting to commit suicide one day is just, I don't know. But like sometimes wanting to commit suicide can just be like a on and off thing, but like depression is just wanting to commit like self-harm is like constant.
I think I'm going through something, but with the support of my family, I think I can come through.
Are you
No,
Yeah.
ow! Don't bite me, I'm not cabbage!
What's that, raccoon?
Oh, hello there.
Oh,
What are you doing here?
Is that a raccoon? That does not look like a raccoon. That looks like a mix between a raccoon and a red panda.
Oh my god, it's you again.
Hello.
What?
Hi.
Good to see you again. So, I got lost.
You got lost?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you got lost. Totally.
What?
Didn't follow me here, did you?
I've told you a lot of times I don't follow you.
Whoa. Yeah, totally. Okay.
Eh.
Creep in case you can't tell.
I was rooting through some garbage.
Also, just recently, the Rex and Wolf and Gregory show kind of like posted like bloopers or whatever, or like behind the scenes or whatever. I wonder if the Sun Moon show will ever post any bloopers, or like Lunar and Earth show will ever post any bloopers, because that'd be funny.
Raccoon, and then they jumped past and thought I was following them.
What are you doing here then?
I smelled garbage.
Well, you would find a lot of garbage.
Oh.
Look, I will say it's not a safe place for you to be to look for garbage. There are garbage disposals. There's machinery that can crush you.
Oh, I've avoided those plenty of times.
Okay, well, what if you don't?
I'm a very adept raccoon.
Okay.
Yep, it is raccoon.
It might be best for you not to be inside this facility for your own safety.
What is this facility?
It is a pizzeria flex thing where kids and families, and if the higher ups found out that you were here, that either of you were here, they would probably be really upset and do some drastic things.
Ah, shame.
Also, let me guess, is this like another dream thing that she's having? I don't know. Because every single time like something weird happens, like to Earth, like that only like she could see them or like see things or I don't know, talk to things or things talking to her. It's usually just her dreaming.
Okay. Well, anyways.
What are you?
I'm an animatronic. My name's Earth. I'm a little confused right now how I can talk to you because you're an animal, and I've never been able to communicate with animals before.
Hi, my name's Petey.
Hi, Petey.
Petey.
Why do you have a knife?
They do that.
Found it.
You found it?
Yeah.
Where?
They hide it in their bow tie.
Yeah.
Cool. Could you not
Why?
use that?
I've asked that a lot of times.
No, you see what I want to do
Please don't.
is,
Please don't chase me again. No. Please don't.
Oh.
I'm just...
Hey, use
Look
this
at my
knife.
life. Come on, man.
Come on, give me that knife.
I'm
Give
just
me that
living
knife.
my
Give
life,
me
please.
no,
give me that.
You suck.
Rude.
Thank you.
Why is that rabbit so mean?
You're a bunny. I think you are supposed to be eating grass and hay. Alright, let's go.
And carrots. And
What's wrong with you?
vegetables,
Why
I
are you
think.
here
We
talking?
eat our own children.
Or at least, I know, like, plants. I know rabbits eat plants. I don't think I've ever seen a rabbit eat meat before.
Like, unironically.
That is the thing rabbits do.
Wait, what?
When we
What?
come to reject, that's what we all
Yeah.
want.
I didn't want to know that.
You didn't know that?
I didn't want to know that.
No, that's
No.
fair enough.
Maybe I won't chase and try to kill the raccoon if maybe you thought that you give me a carrot. Bright orange carrot. Nice, healthy.
Like, what else do you want? You want a blue carrot? You want a purple carrot? Like, what else could they feed you? Like a rainbow carrot?
That guy in the photo looks like a carrot.
What is that?
A golden carrot?
It's a shot.
Looks like a big carrot.
Here, I have snacks for the kids in the snack drawer. Hold on. No, you're not. It's that's a picture. Here you go. Here's a carrot. Here, I'll put it in your mouth. There you go.
Oh,
I'm just...
cute. So cute.
We're so satisfied with you for now. But now we'll be back.
Okay. Cool.
Okay. Bye-bye.
So, are you going to leave the area too, or?
I mean, I can. I can leave whenever. I'm also pretty stealthy. I like hiding.
Cool.
So cute.
Most people forget I'm around. They normally don't find me when I'm in the garbage. A few that do generally pull out like a gun.
Oh, what? Oh.
Hey, yo.
Hello.
Hi.
Where
Hello?
have you been?
What?
Running?
You got a job to do here.
I'm just running around.
What's that?
Well,
Is that like some... Is that like one of the Angry Birds or something?
Are you willing to do the job yet or nah? Because we decided to wait on you.
Come
What's
on,
the-
man.
What's the job?
Don't make me do anything.
No, don't kick me, please.
Also, is the raccoon basically just easy just with a voice changer? Or like just a really, really high pitched voice? Because I know it's easy playing as the raccoon. Because I think Davis was the one that was playing the rabbit. Was that them like just using a voice changer?
No, not again.
Also, why does the raccoon look like a Furby from behind? Like, remember those Furbies? You know?
I'm capturing my natural predator. Leave me alone.
What?
I'm squishy.
You think you understand us?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're animatronic. Apparently they can't normally understand animals. So,
What's an animatronic?
That?
oh, you're a robot.
Yeah.
Should have said that.
Well,
No, I'm
it's a
squishy.
specific kind of robot.
It never gets old. It never gets old. Anyways. Hey.
You made it cry.
I'm squishy. It hurts.
Yeah, trust. Yeah, that raccoon definitely looks like a Furby.
What's that? Look, here's the deal. We gotta get going. We gotta cause a distraction.
What does this Angry Bird want?
Nuts.
I thought that's what I was doing. I thought you were taking stuff out of the theater.
So wait,
In there.
you're stealing what from the theater?
They wanted to take food.
Nuts.
You could have just asked.
All the nuts. All
We
the
don't-
peanuts.
Okay,
Ah.
we don't serve nuts in the theater because it's an allergen.
Okay, that does make sense. Wasn't like there other stuff that like some people are allergic to? Like you guys serve pizza, but there's some people who are like lactose intolerant or whatever. Yeah, yet you guys still serve. Customer service still sells that. And they're not like some, well, yeah, like, well, just because you have an allergy to something doesn't mean like the whole plate, or like just because like there's people that are allergic to something doesn't mean they have to get rid of it or not serve it, you know? Because, well, I mean, I know like at my old elementary school, they wouldn't, well, not saying they wouldn't, but I think one time I was like eating like a peanut butter jelly sandwich or something, or like something with like peanut butter in it, and like one of my classmates had to like move down, or like I had to move down. I can't remember exactly what it was, but because I was eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, apparently because they were allergic to peanuts or whatever. I think I've sat next to like other kids that have had like peanut allergies or whatever, and yeah, I don't think they really cared. I mean, I think it's like, okay, if it's like in the air or whatever, like a baker or something, that would make sense of you not want to go in there or whatever, or not being around it. But like, I'm pretty sure most allergies work if it's like something like just like particles in the air, or you eat it, or it gets on your skin. Not if you're just around it in general. So I don't think that's how allergies work.
I think they're lying to us.
No, people
This
can
is a
die
daycare,
if they have
and
peanuts.
So like,
What's a daycare?
Well, some people. I don't think everybody can die from like eating a peanut or peanut butter or whatever. I mean, because I know not every allergy is the same. Because some allergies are more severe than others. Like you could just like be getting like a rash if you know you have allergies or whatever, and like some are like so severe that you can like start suffocating
Humans come and stay to be taken.
or choking. Choking is another thing that could happen though, but yeah, like you know, like I said, you guys like serve other things that some people could choke on, you know.
oh, babies. Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
They like
Yeah.
petting me.
Well, yeah, because you're cute. But anyway,
Thank you.
peanuts are things that humans can be allergic to, so we've decided not to have them in this.
Well, yeah, but apparently, like since like we've expanded like our research, or scientists have at least, I think you can technically be allergic to like almost anything. Like there's some who are afraid, or not afraid. Some people are allergic to money, touch, water, sunlight, like I don't know, air. I don't know, but yeah. But also, you can also have a phobia of anything. Apparently, like people must go to the debility of phobia or whatever that word is. Like fear of big words or whatever that is. And like fear of being without your cell phone. And like fear of mannequins. Fear of robots. Fear of money. Yeah.
Because we don't want lawsuits.
Oh.
What is allergic?
Like you can't eat it or you'll die.
Oh. That's
Or
awful.
you can't eat it, or something bad will happen to you. Not just dying, like I said.
And I don't know anybody that ate anything and never died. Except Jeremy Rich and Diggs and Rich and Rich and Little and Rich and Rich and Little.
Okay, we got it.
They all choked to death.
So,
I'm
one
sorry
box,
for laughing,
I would
but
go to the supermarket. That's a better place to go.
Supermarket.
I'm pretty sure they want wild animals in
What
the
is a
supermarket.
That's where they sell food.
Yes.
I was about to say no, because they're animals, but the raccoon just said yes.
What the hell's a Google?
Then you can Google it.
Okay.
What?
Can I come back here? You seem nice.
Yeah, sure. I can understand you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
I'm confused.
Goodbye, you two. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Well, we gotta steal the food from the supermarket.
Okay,
Otherwise we're
we'll
gonna
go
stop.
find a supermarket.
That was interesting. I'm still a little confused as to why this is all happening to me, but that was fun. The bunny thing was kind of not, but I did like the little raccoon fellow. He was
Yeah.
super cute, and then the
Yes.
bird did a backflip, so that was pretty neat.
Yeah.
There
Yeah,
we
put
go.
the plushie back.
I hope Lunar found. Okay, wait. Did I get any text from Sun or Moon yet? Okay, I did. Okay, now I'm texting, make sure Lunar's okay, because he hasn't come back yet. Alright, and then, yeah. Cool.
Did they just have like a little group chat?
Are you doing okay? XOXO. That's
Xbox.
good. Oh, hi.
Hey, I'm back.
I just sent you a text. I'm so sorry.
You're fine. I was just on my way back. I didn't see like a leak or like a hole in the wall or anything where animals were coming from. Where are they?
They left. See, the bunny was kind of weird. It was trying to stab a raccoon, and the raccoon was pretty nice. It was a raccoon.
Yeah. You're just sounding crazy. I mean, I know Earth is not crazy, but you're making it sound like you are crazy. Like, if I were to say to you guys oh yeah, hey, I saw a bird carrying a bear into its nest, or a bear with a snorkel attached to its face, it sounds crazy. Of course, I didn't see that, but I'm just making an example. Whenever you say something so bizarre, people are most, or I don't know, depending on how you say it, is if people are gonna believe you or not. Some people are gonna believe you, and some people are just gonna think that you're just insane.
Yes. And then, oh, it's a kitty! It's a baby!
Oh.
Little baby.
Oh. Is that
It's
Sun's
Sun's
cat?
cat. Yeah, it's Sun's cat.
Wait,
Hi, little
how did they
baby.
get over here? How did they get to daycare?
Yes. Scratch my neck harder.
Scratch my neck harder.
Oh, I don't like that. Never mind.
What?
It just said, yes, scratch my neck harder.
Yeah.
In a deep voice.
What seems to be the matter?
What seems to be the matter?
I can understand you today. Don't meow. I heard you speak. Don't.
Yeah, don't. This is gonna make it sound weird.
What Tucson has, and what Forrester
I mean,
Don't do that. Please stop meowing as with a voice. It's kind of weird. I understood you before.
you seem to finally understand me.
I do. What can I do? Wait, hold on. This is a big deal. Okay. Do you want me to? Do you want me to say anything on your behalf to Sun?
ooh. You know what you could do? Since that's Sun's cat, you can pretty much tell the cat what Sun's deepest secret is. And just pretend you don't even know about his deepest secret. Now that's something.
I would request more treats.
Well, we kind of had to cut you back on the treats because apparently you kept getting.
You cannot
more.
imply that. Moon calls me fat enough.
Okay. It coming from Moon sounds like an insult. If you know what I'm saying. I can't imagine Moon saying that is a fat cat. Or him saying to the cat, you are a fat cat. I can't imagine that coming from Moon.
I did not know Moon calls you fat.
What has happened?
I shall instead insist that treats be shoved down his throat.
Ew.
I don't
Make
think you
him
can shove.
fat.
Yeah.
You can't shove treats.
Also,
down.
hold on. I'm pretty sure Moon can't get fat because I don't think metal can really expand like that. You get what I'm saying? I don't think metal can expand. Or if you get what I'm saying, or like stretch. If you get what I'm saying. Like, I know they have like a bloating feature or whatever they call it. But I don't think metal can just expand like that.
Moon's throat because you want us to call him fat.
What has
That's not what's
happened?
I'm repeating everything so you can hear it.
I am
Sorry.
understanding. I'm concerned and confused still.
Okay, look, I'm sorry. You can't do that. Is there anything that isn't weird that I can tell son?
We wish for the death of that jack creature.
Oh, Jackal Moon? Yeah, no, I don't think that's gonna happen. Because, like, I'm pretty sure it's like the only memory we have of Solar at the moment.
They wish for the death of Jack.
Jack's pretty chill though. Didn't he bring you a bunch of treats or something?
He was giving you treats. Why?
He hath thrown us into the depths of hell's self. We shall not remain in Tartarus. Deliverance in name alone.
Why are you talking like that? It's really weird. It's really funny though.
Make fun of my voice, do you?
No.
I'm not. I'm just confused that you picked up this vocabulary from being around Sun and Moon.
Son. I am he. And my name is Snugglies.
Snugglies.
What?
That's
Snugglies.
their name. I thought Sun gave him a different name.
Is your name like Tux?
Wow.
Yeah. I don't know.
I shall choose a new name.
No,
Like snow.
I don't think
no.
he's
What?
though.
They want to call themselves Snowball?
Yeah, isn't there like named Tux?
Fluffy, and I have some white.
Because their fur is fluffy and they have some white.
White.
Snow is only white,
Yeah.
unless you pee on it.
Yeah, or brown. Or red, depending. Or actually, it can be any color, technically, if you can like put like some like food coloring on it.
Don't hiss at me. I can't understand you, but I'm assuming that's still rude.
Yeah, hiss is rude.
Don't growl at me.
What about Shadow? That's a cool name.
Shadow does not suit a being such divine as I am.
What about Blank?
What?
Blank is kind of mysterious and cool.
That thing dares speak in my presence, as though he has some equal leveling to me.
Do I have equal leveling to you?
Not even.
Dang, that's pretty. I have beneath you?
What?
Shall think
I will tell Sun.
dig up my
Yeah.
I'm gonna call Sun.
Please call Sun. Okay, hold on. I'll pass along a message to Sun. Do you love him?
my master. He's the only one who I allow to pet thy belly.
Yeah, you don't even let me pet your belly. Sometimes you do though.
Oh.
Pick up the phone, Sun.
What? Hello?
Your cat's here.
Is it the black one? That one seems to always feel like how to activate that stupid portal.
Yes, Earth can understand them?
Son, there's a problem going on. I can understand animals right now, and your cat is freaking me out.
What's 50% bad?
I'm not gonna explain. I don't know why I can understand animals. I can hear animals.
There was a
But I
rabbit
think
here,
that-
they can understand that. Apparently there was a raccoon, now your cat's here.
Okay, forget that. Forget it. Okay, look. Your cat wants me to feed them. Can I feed your cat?
What? Nasty? Orders?
What are you asking for,
I
Snugglies?
wish for friskies.
They want friskies.
The treats? No, we have to cut them back.
Yeah, they're kind of upset about that, by the way. They want us to get treats and shove them down Moon's throat. Yeah, that's fine.
Wait, was that Moon?
They get treats and shove them down Moon's throat. Yeah, that's why.
Talk about your back.
That's kind of why they want Moon to be force-fed treats.
Excuse me?
Yeah, I'm just repeating things. Don't shoot the messenger. Okay, I'm hanging up now. Goodbye. I'm hanging up on your phone, Lunar.
Okay.
I don't want to feel for the...
I'm sorry, that was so funny. Moon's like, excuse me? Like, I'm just so offended.
Eats and shove them down Moon's throat. Yeah, that's why. That's kind of why they want Moon to be force-fed treats.
Excuse me?
Yeah, I'm just repeating things. Don't shoot the messenger. Okay, I'm hanging up now. Goodbye. I'm hanging up on your phone, Lunar.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Moon like just sounded so offended.
I don't want to feel for the...
Also, why is there
Odd
10 minutes
sensation.
left?
Ugh.
I know. I'm sorry, little cat.
That lunar creature shall learn his place in the pecking order.
No.
My name on top, and my brother the lower.
I have a question for the cat.
Okay?
Did they join CatNap's whole cat uprising thing?
I wouldn't be surprised.
Did you?
The uprising. He had promised us glory and witches speak.
I'm assuming that's a yes.
Temptations, all the temptation treats that we could ever imagine, and yet he would remain unfed fully. The man hath sown lies upon us. We have helped him, yes.
Oh my gosh, why is there another ad? I'm trying to listen to this conversation. Can, like, the ads, like, just not pop up? You know? Because, it's really, really annoying, and I hate it. You know, it's like, they always pop up, like, in the middle of, like the sentence or whatever the word.
Let me introduce you to
We see the truth, and that he is a liar.
This is a long answer to a yes or no question.
Yeah, he went on a monologue. The gist is yes, but they have received nothing, so they're not happy.
Okay.
Okay, look, I'm just... I
Go
would like...
home.
Go back home to Sire, please.
No, I have a date.
A date?
What? What
What?
did they say? What? A date? What?
They have a date!
With
I can
who?
send Son a text right now.
Son, your cat has a date apparently and will not be home? Question mark, question mark?
I think a big concern right now, Lunar, is how I'm able to understand animals. We have not addressed that.
I don't know.
I'm happy, but it's kind of like I thought animals would be nice and cheerful around me. And I was really expecting Son's cat to be like, "Hi, we love you, Earth, because we let you pet our bellies sometimes." But like, you know, that's not happening.
I don't. Do I need to go find Moon or somebody or Monty?
I don't know. Do what you do best. I'll just stay here and watch this.
I'm getting a phone call by an unknown number.
Okay.
Hello?
Oh wait, look, there's another kid.
That sounds like that. Wait, what?
Are you? Is this? I don't think this is Son's cat. There's a different cat.
Sorry, this phone call's in Morse code?
I think
What?
there's a cat here. I think this is more prevalent.
I am Zoe's cat.
You are? Oh yeah, you are. Sorry. I was having my...
You forgot about me.
No, I didn't forget about you. It's just...
Isn't this the dumb one?
No, it's not. They're very intelligent. It's just...
Um.
Come here. I'll give you some backpacks.
Aw.
Go, baby. Oh
This must
yeah.
be so weird.
I love you. Your brother was just here and it was kind of strange.
Yes, I quest all heads. Scratch my head. Scratch it. Scratch it.
Okay, this one's the more friendly one and not the mysterious one.
You look uncomfortable.
I'm a little uncomfortable, but they like it, so. You gonna go to bed now, or?
I think they're asleep.
No. I must stay awake. I need to find my brother and stop him from dating the cat thing. The other cat thing. The other
David,
cat.
CatNap? Wait, there's his son's cat? Dating CatNap? What?
That way. You want me?
Where am I going?
You're going to go find your brother? That's on a date?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the dumb one.
Oh, honey. Sweetie, oh, why don't you go back home? Why don't you go back home?
But the other cat's dangerous. He'll somehow.
Okay,
I
then.
know it.
Okay, then.
Okay, I
Just
don't
find them then. They went out.
understand this cat.
No, son said I can't give you any anymore. I know. So you gotta call in Morse code?
Yeah, I don't know Morse code.
I don't know off the top of my head either. So
What?
maybe it's a scam caller. That can happen.
Maybe.
Maybe. I mean, I don't know. This is weird.
Well, I mean, I like talking to animals. It's great. And I feel bad for forgetting that son's cat, but at the same time, you know, I also just
Hey, son.
son, your cat just ran out that way. The other cat, there's two cats. Son,
Son,
not saying anything.
why are you not speaking?
What do you mean my cat's going on a date?
I don't know. According to Earth, the cat said it was going on a date.
Which cat?
The black one.
The black cat.
Black and white one?
Tux or
Yes.
whatever.
They also like to call themselves Smedleys. They want to change their name to Snowball. Yeah.
I don't
Also, your other cat was just ran by here wanting
They
to
ran
stop
into
them.
a wall.
Yeah, they want to
What
stop.
always runs into the wall?
Just go find them,
Go
please.
find the cats.
Gray one always runs into the
Go
wall.
find the cats.
No, it's up the wall.
Go.
I love you. Please keep on contact. I've been texting you.
I know.
Why can you understand animals?
I don't know, but I'm not super.
Is this a dream?
Did anything happen recently?
No, I just woke up and I'm now able to talk to animals.
Okay.
That's cool, but that's weird. And concerning, I would say at the same time.
Correct, but like,
Yeah, it's not great, so.
I mean, technically, you've always been able to talk to animals since Freddy's a bear and Roxanne's a wolf.
Yeah, that's different.
So funny where, you know,
That's different. They have like actual
I don't
voices.
know.
And you, Sun and Moon are like two celestial bodies that can talk. Sun is a sun and Moon's a moon, and yet they're talking. So your point?
I'm tired.
I'm tired too. You know, it's been a long day.
The day's barely started.
Yeah, it's been a long day and it hasn't even started yet. It's one of those days, you know.
Why is it? Why is there's still like 30 minutes left of this video? Jeez, this episode was long. Felt like an actual episode.
Some on the back of your head.
What?
Crack it down. There's a sticky note in your hair.
How are you just noticing this now?
Because it was in your hair. I saw it through the threads. Hey, I decided as a joke to make Earth understand animals from Eclipse.
Oh, okay. So that's from Eclipse. Okay. I would say that's not. I mean, that's like almost like that's really a prank.
Oh.
It's cool ability.
T.S. I did it while they were asleep.
Oh. Well, that's nice.
They broke into Monty's house.
Oh.
What, they so it doesn't shock me.
Hmm.
That's nice of them.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey,
Oh, speaking of the devil.
Lips.
found your sticky note.
Sticky notes.
What?
There was a sticky note in her hair.
Uh-huh.
Is he just denying it
It
now?
said from you.
Man, it's a shocker what you can do without someone's permission.
Wait, so you didn't put the animal thing in my head?
What the hell is it?
Oh, what are you looking for? Maybe I can help you.
Just gonna say kiss.
Why did I hear a short circuit?
Yeah, the portal's broken.
What?
Cool.
What?
That's great. So you did give me the ability to talk to animals?
Why would I do that?
I don't know, because, we've talked and I guess,
Oh, he taught, so I certainly should help you with the ability to talk to animals.
that's a fair thing to say. That was a big leap for me. I'm sorry. I just assumed you did because of the note.
Oh, now it's faster.
Bye, Clips.
Emma,
Who was it then?
he walked in, broke it. I don't know. You ripped something out.
Sorry.
Have a good day, you two.
Bye, love you.
Never mind, I'm right here.
Oh my gosh.
What did he do to my portal?
Sorry, you just went in and ripped something out.
I don't know. He just ripped
I
something out.
want to go talk to animals now. This is all too stressful. I'm getting overstimulated. I'm going to go into the park and talk to squirrels.
Okay. Have fun talking to geese.
Oh, I'm afraid of talking to geese. Last time I talked to
Oh.
geese, they all were very negative.
Well, that was the
about
goose
me.
dimension.
So I'm
Wasn't that
just...
from a different dimension?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I assume all geese are the same in the sense
No.
because they're yelling at me.
Well, no, because there was a foxy and sun goose that
That's
had
fair.
eggs.
You know what? I'll give geese another go.
Okay, well, that's it for today's video. So hit subscribe and hit back to go stick down and comment below. See some more of the Lunar Nurturing videos. And I'll see you guys next video. Audio Superstars.